Hey there, welcome to the Funny Farm. If you've watched my videos, you know I've been struggling getting artichokes to come up. Tried to plant these last year and got nothing. Planted some about 4 weeks ago and got nothing. And I just wanted to let you know that we finally have success. Got 2 artichokes popping up about 5 days after I planted them. The seed packet here doesn't give you this information. But when I looked it up on the internet, it says cold stratifying these in a wet paper towel in your fridge for 2 weeks, they will come up better. They should really tell you that on the seed packet, don't you think? But yeah, I am so excited. Look, 2 artichokes. And here's what they're looking like now at day 9. You can see still no growth in the ones that weren't cold stratified. And we got a few more big Jim chilies coming up. And the purple skinned, white fleshed sweet potato we got from the Asia market is starting to get a few roots on it. No shoots yet. No roots yet on the white. Keep your fingers crossed for the white skinned purple flesh. Thanks for watching. Okay, you're not happy. And a little update on what the little crested chicks are looking like as they get a little older. Look at the vine here. And here's what the little well bars are looking like. Got your waterer full of wood chips again, didn't you? Shame on you girls. And here's the little gray crested one. Got paint on my fingernails because I'm working at the rental house. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.